Not what I wanted.
Hey guys, it's Christian Skaggs and welcome back to my channel. So today, for the second What a Look Wednesday, I put together this look inspired by the movie Tangled. It's gonna be quite a simple eye look since the focus is on all the art going on my face. I don't know what I'm doing with my hands. Let's get started. There'll be a link here if you want to watch that video on how to get the base. I'm not really going to be explaining what brushes I'm using and all that. I'm just going to be showing y'all what I do. So,
I think I'm just going to be taking some purple from the JEFREESTAR palette and applying that to the outside of my eye.
now we're done. That's the video over. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Girl, bye. Now I'm going to take some of the black shade and apply that on the very outer corner. That's something. Cool. Now I'm gonna cut my crease. Oh, fuck! The creases are cut. That's pretty on its own, but not what I wanted. I'm gonna be taking whatever this brush is and dipping into the shade Artistry. That's what I want. I want artistry on my lid. I went ahead and tightlined my eye with a black liner. And now I'm adding yellow underneath for a pop color. That
brush is too big. We're gonna use this brush.
Now I'm taking a yellow highlight shade from the 35B palette and applying that to the inner corner. Duh. Oh, gotta highlight that brow bone, and then the eyes are done with some lashes that I'm gonna apply off camera. The eyes are done. Now moving on to the next step is the big sun, the sun logo thing, whatever that thing is. I'm cheating, and so originally I was gonna have something like this sized, but I was like, I realized that's kind of big, and I was like, I don't think I'm gonna have enough space to do the whole sun if I have something that big. So then I found a cap. I almost just broke my TATCHA. $60 bottle. Like, who do I think I am? JEFREESTAR? Like, so I found a cap. And I'm cheating because I'm just putting some white concealer on this little cap, and I'm gonna make a little circle. And then I'm gonna fill it in with yellow to get the first little, you know, part done. About here. Press it in, and there's our... The funniest part about all this is that it's not centered. And... like at all, and I want to die because of it. I'm gonna pack on yellow.
The way it shine, I know you see it.
I'm gonna take a liner brush and dip into this like dark purple shade. It's called Escape. And I'm just like making a line of purple around the yellow. And now I have to add like the little rays. So for that I'm gonna have to hand paint it. Great. Do I want to? No. Like, not at all, but am I gonna? Yes. So, you pretty much just put the sun on your forehead. I'll be back when there's something I'm adding new. Okay, I'm back. And I finished, pretty much. Don't you love these wipes? They're charcoal wipes, and they're black. That's so cool. God.
At your local Dollar Tree now. Hashtag sponsored.
Honestly, could y'all imagine if someone got sponsored by Dollar Tree? I'm just gonna add a gloss. A glossy gloss. Highlight that top lip real quick, and then we're gonna add a gloss, and then I think this look is all complete.
Hit or miss, I guess they never miss, huh? You got a boyfriend, I bet he does he kiss ya?
Girl, if you made it this far into the video, give it a like. Also, don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Girl, bye. I literally have the whole playlist, the whole album. If you think I'm kidding, it's literally it's right on there. It's right there. Soundtrack is on my playlist. Like, it's there. I'm already ready.
So I'll wait up one, or maybe 2 or 3. I'll add a few new paintings to my gallery.
Stop texting me. See, it listened. Yeah, I hate it. Oh, we love a pigmented palette.